everyone, I'm Rajveer and today I'm going to talk about my passion, which is science experiments. So why do I love science? It's all about interesting stuff that I love and it's all about knowing our world better. So today's experiment is walking water. So let's start. The materials needed are flashed on the screen. First we need 375 ml filled cups. They are filled with water and now we need 2 empty cups in between. Now we have to fill the first cup with few drops of red color. Few drops of red. And now we have to fill this. Now we have to stir it well. Let's stir it. Let's stir it with the stirring stick. Yeah. Now we have to fill the second with yellow color. Yeah. Now we'll stir it as well. Let's stir it well. Now we'll add blue in the last cup. Now we'll stir it well. So we have stirred all the cups well and we have followed all the steps. Now we will take paper strips and place it in such manner that one end of it is in the filled cup and other is in the empty cups, like this. Similarly we will do for all cups. One here, another here. Yeah, so now we'll wait some time to see the magic. Hi everyone, I am back after 2 hours and wow, the waters are filled into the empty glass through the tissue paper strips. How did this happen? Did the water really walk? No. There's no such reason. The logical scientific reason behind is capillary action. It is the movement of water through a solid. So first let me explain. Do you remember the parts of a plant? How the water is conducted? It is conducted through the roots to the stem and then the different parts of the plants. Similarly, it is happening through the tissue paper and then into the empty glasses. But you may be wondering, how can it happen through a tissue paper? It can happen through a root, but how through tissue paper? So let me explain. The tissue paper here is made up of cellulose fibers which have space in between and highly attract the water molecules, and thus water is conducted through the tissue papers and into the empty glass, and red water is conducted through the tissue papers into the empty glass. So is yellow. Both mix and form orange. Similarly, yellow and blue formed green. So that's all for the experiment. I hope you enjoyed the experiment, understood the science and also saw how the colors mixed to form a new color. Thank you.